how to reverse any motions in iClone 8 like this. You can see the first character, it is performing the air dance toward her right hand side, and the second character, it is performing a reverse air dance from the last frame back to the 0 frame. So how to reverse any 3D animations, any iClone motion files for your iClone 8 3D animation software. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the step by step. My name is Freedom. These channels are about the 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing tutorial. If you are interested in 3Ds, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials, or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. Let's go. The first step, open your CC4. This is the character creator 4, and then just go to the actor character, just call out CC4 Camilla. It is under the cloth CC4 Camilla 1. We are going to use the CC4 as a pipeline tool. The first step, just remove all of the CC cloth from Camilla. Then next, just go and find the iClone motion file that you want to reverse. And as demo, I'm going to just choose from the animations, the motions, and I'm going to just select one of it from human female under the perform. You can see this is the air dance or dance graceful. Alright, we may just test this. Try to play. Alright, just look at. Alright, this is too complicated. We are going to choose the one that easier and shorter as demo. So I will just choose the air dance, just because of the air dance is shorter, and you can see the last frame, it is somewhere at here. Alright, so we are going to make a reverse animation. Once you already know the locations of the RL motion, just right click, find the file. We want to copy the locations. We are going to copy it when we are going to export it. So next step, just click File, Export, FBX, Cloth Character. The target tool preset, choose Blender, and turn on the setting. The FBX options, we are going to choose Mesh and Motions. At this part, just use the T-pose as bind pose. This is very important. Then click Custom, Open, and then back to the folder just now. This under Perform. So copy this folder destination location and paste it here, enter. We choose the RL motion that we want to convert to make it become the reverse animations. Just double click it. Now you can see the air dance is here, and also you need to make sure select the first frame in bind pose. This is very important. You must activate this. Next, just click Export, click OK, and as demo, I'm going to export it on my desktop. I create a new folder, name this as Air Dance. So the file name, I'm going to name this as Air Dance, Camilla, Air Dance. Then I click Save and wait for a while. It is going to export as FBX at here. Alright, now it already exported as FBX file. Next, just open the Blender. Blender is a free software, and for today, the latest version is Blender 4.2. We are going to use the Blender as a tool to just reverse all the keyframes. So I already removed everything, delete everything. Next, I'm going to just import the Camilla Air Dance FBX. Click File, Import FBX from my desktop, Air Dance, Camilla Air Dance. Now, it already imported. Next, what you need to do is just check it. Just drag this out. Just turn on the texture. Alright. So now you can see the first 60 frames. They are the T-pose. And start from frame 61. It is going to start the animation. So we are going to remove the first 60 frames. But we need to reserve the first frame. So now I just select in that way. Wait. The first frame is the T-pose. So now I drag here to make sure it covers everything. You can see this is the last frame. So here 620, we check which frame is the last frame. It is set here. So 621, 622. So we put 622 here. The last frame is empty. We are going to copy the first frame to the last frame. Just click the first frame, Ctrl C to copy, and go to the last frame here, Ctrl V to paste it here. So now the last frame is this frame. Then we check the first 60 frame from frame 1, frame 0, frame 1 to frame 60. Actually, start from frame 61, it is your animation. So for all of this, just select it up to frame 60, delete, first frame also delete it, then the rest press A and press G to move it to first frame. So now, start from the first frame until the last frame is a T-pose. So next we are going to reverse all of the keyframe. Just press A and press S, click the transform. The values X, we change it to become -1 and press enter. Now just press A to just select everything. It already back to the behind. Then just press G to just switch it back to make sure after reverse the first frame is at 0. So here click A, select, or just press G to just move it. Wait and check again. Press A and press G. Make sure the 0 is at here. This is 1. Then how about 0? It starts from 1. The first frame. Alright. So now once everything already done, just check the range. 0 frame, first frame, then last frame. Last frame is at here. We must make sure the last frame we plot properly. Where is the last frame? (562). So here the end 562. Enter. Now the range already correct. We try to play all the animation. First frame and then start from the last frame. Now it is going to reverse the whole animations. Finally back to the origins. Now you can see the whole air dance animation is already reversed. At this moment we can just export as FBX. So just right click, create a new folder in your air dance folder. Just name this as reverse. Then save it inside this folder. Save. Then export as FBX. Make sure turn the path mode to copy. This is to make sure all of the texture embedded inside the FBX file. And here, just name this as add-ons reverse export the FBX. Now it is ready here. The Blender file, just save and close. Just now I not rename it properly. Just rename it same as the add-ons. Now back to the CC4, the character creator 4. Just click new, just discard everything. Then import the FBX. Import the add-ons reverse as a character. Click apply. Then the auto conversion, just cancel it. We are going to just convert it properly. Or since it is a CC4, we can just use the auto conversion. It seems no problem. We can have a try first. I don't save. Just import again. Use the auto conversions. Import as character. Apply. Now it is going to import as a CC4 profile for auto conversions. I choose the actor build. Just click OK. We try first. You never try, you never know. Although previously I was always just map the bone individually, manually. But now this is just a try for auto conversion. And sim, now everything is okay. Just import again the add-ons and have a look. Then the motion profile, just now I choose the actor build. And now we just choose the current character because it should match with all the skeletons at here. Just convert all and have a look first. Just try it. Now the add-ons is ready. Imported. The add-ons reverse. We try, you can see the first frame, then it is going to reverse all the animation. We try to play. Yes, this is exactly the reverse add-ons. You already reversed the whole 3D animation and back to the first frame. Everything worked properly. So now we can just go to the custom, and actually it already saved the animations. Go to the custom animations. Under the animations, go to the motions, the external motion. Then at here we are going to just find it, the add-ons reverse. It should be same name as the FBX. At here, the add-ons reverse, right click, just go and find the file. It is going to open with the external motions and check the date. Now what is the time? It's within 1 minute. 1:36 p.m. 1:35 p.m. The same date, it will be this, of course. So this is the RL motions that's already become the reverse add-ons. You already reverse everything. We are going to test it in the iClone. So now I'm going to open the iClone. So now I'm going to just test a random character. The cloth. Let's say I try Kevin. I try on Kevin the reverse add-ons. Just apply the add-ons reverse. Just drag and drop to Kevin. You can see the first frame is T-pose. Then it is going to start from the location where the add-ons should stop. Then it is going to reverse the add-ons, then back to the origin. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to reverse any iClone motion file. to make it become a reverse motions, a reverse animations. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials, and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials, or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing. See you!